Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce, and today we're outside in my driveway, and I want to apply a new glass coating to the front windshield of my 4Runner here. Now, one of the things that whenever you're applying a glass coating is you've got to make sure that the glass surface is clean and is free from any contamination, and of course, that you've removed any existing protection. Well, I've got protection on this, and I'm going to show you here in just a minute what it looks like before we use this compound that I've not tried before. This is Glaco Soft 99's compound for glass. So essentially, this can take the place of polishing your glass, particularly when it comes to removing an existing coating. So we're going to see if the Glaco compound really removes the coating. So come on in and let's have some fun. All right, so before I apply the Glaco compound and show you how to do that, I want to first show you what protection exists on the glass now. And I'm going to do that by just spraying water from the pressure washer so you can see what kind of protection is there. I think you can see there's a fair amount of protection on the glass. So you might ask, why are you applying new protection? Well, one, I wanted to test this Glaco compound. So that's my real reason, is removing what's there. I want to see if the Glaco compound will remove it. And then I'm going to apply Armor Details version 2 glass coating. Now I'm going to apply the compound to the glass. Basically, you just open it up, squeeze the compound out. It's got a pad. And essentially, we're just going to go in two different directions here. And I want to try to get more of this compound out because I don't think that is going to be enough. There we go. So the recommendation is that you go in two different directions. And that's indeed what I will do. Then this can be rinsed off the surface. So we're going to rinse it right off the glass and see if we still have protection on there. Wow, I hope you can see that. It got rid of the protection without question. Wow, that is amazing. Look at this. Look at the difference. Driver's side has the protection. I have not used the compound. Passenger side is now free of any protection just by using that compound. I'm going to do the same thing on the driver's side right now. All right, let's take another quick look at the glass before I apply the compound to the driver's side. Again, you can see pretty good protection is on there. We're now going to apply the compound to the driver's side and remove that protection. Once again, we'll squeeze out some compound on the glass and begin applying. then apply in the opposite direction. All right, we're going to give that a rinse. And we can see there's no protection left on the glass after the compound. Works amazingly well. Well, I hope this was helpful for you to see how Glaco's glass compound can truly make preparation for a glass coating super simple. It works really well, really quick, and very easy to apply. And then you just spray to remove. I was amazed. I've never used anything by Glaco, or by, I should say, Soft 99 is the company that makes this. Never, ever have I experienced anything that easy. Check it out. You can get it at the House of Rags. I'll have a link in the description below. But if you're going to put on a glass coating, I suggest that you do the right preparation as you would with any type of coating. And one of those key steps is making sure the glass is ready to accept the coating. You use that by using the compound. You can use the Glaco Glass Compound, and it will make a difference and help your coating adhere to the glass. I appreciate you coming into the garage today. And if I can help in any way, reach out. And have a great day.